English course, Level 1, Lesson 5. I, you, we, they, he, he, she, she, he, she, he, she, he, she. I speak English. You speak English. We speak English. They speak English. He speaks English. Speaks. He speaks English. He speaks English. He speak English? No. He speaks English. He speaks English. She speaks English. Speaks. She speaks English. She speaks English. She speak English? No. She speaks English. She speaks English. I speak Spanish. He speaks Spanish. You speak Portuguese. She speaks Portuguese. We speak Italian. He speaks Italian. Complete the space. I Spanish. I speak Spanish. He French. He speaks French. You Japanese. You speak Japanese. They German. They speak German. She Arabic. She speaks Arabic. We Portuguese. We speak Portuguese. I live in London. You live in London. We live in London. They live in London. He lives in London. Lives. He lives in London. He lives in London. He lives in London. He live in London? No. He lives in London. He lives in London. She lives in London. Lives. She lives in London. She lives in London. She live in London? No. She lives in London. She lives in London. Listen. Lives in. Lives in. She lives in London. She lives in. Lives in. She lives in London. Lives in. He lives in Paris. He lives in Paris. Lives in. Lives in. Lives in. He lives in London. He lives in Paris. He lives in Madrid. I live in Sydney. She lives in Sydney. You live in Madrid. He lives in Madrid. We live in France. She lives in France. I live in London and I speak English. He lives in London and he speaks English. We live in Paris and we speak French. She lives in Paris and she speaks French.